Today is August 5th, and the Standing Committee on IT has asked Mark Zuckerberg to apologize for the removal of a video of the Prime Minister for 5 hours. This video was subsequently reinstated. Meta acknowledged its error to the Ministry of Electronics and IT on July 28th itself. This is that same video posted as the first reel of the Prime Minister on July 23rd. Let me be very clear. Mark Zuckerberg does need to apologize to Indians, but it should be for the right purpose and for the right reasons. Also, an apology is not a substitute to having enforceable standards on social media platforms. There's been a year-on-year doubling of the number of takedowns demanded by the Ministry of Electronics and IT. There is a censorship apparatus which has been built, and sample this press report from April 25th from The Hindu, which shows that Meta platforms, given the number of requests, because there's such a large volume, needs to take down content on an automated basis, and hence problems will occur. For instance, the Delhi police is cleaning the internet of any protest-related content, and also one needs to consider the political economy of where we stand. The Parliamentary Standing Committee's chairperson, Mr. Nishikant Dubey, has in the past made statements for the removal of community notes on platforms such as X, which we had clearly fact-checked because his statement was based on an incorrect reading of Australian law. And as per proceedings of the Standing Committee of ID, it seems it's more interested in putting pressure on Meta platforms to question it. Why did the CJP protests or the Chalo Sansad March have such large numbers of people liking anti-government content? This is the real concern. How did a younger generation of people get to question the government over examination leaks and get to place accountability that resulted in the resignation of a union minister? Let's be honest, this entire exercise will not result in fixing any regulation. There are real issues in how Meta operates in India. This includes, in recent weeks, the doxing of female protesters, which has not been taken up. This includes hate speech rampantly done in an organized manner against minorities and weakens our national fabric. And we at IFF have been pushing for regulation on Meta. In fact, we filed a shareholder resolution a few years ago asking for a human rights impact assessment for Meta platforms. I'm more than willing to participate in this process as well, if it is so desired by the honorable members of this committee. In the past, also, I have tendered testimony twice before the Standing Committee on IT, once for net neutrality, another one on internet shutdowns. But I do believe these social media platforms need to be regulated, but they also need to be insulated for any kind of political pressure which turns them into a pulpit for official state propaganda.